I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and entering the bootloader. Connect the phone via USB, enable USB debugging, and confirm OEM unlock is allowed. These let the PC talk to recovery. Once done, open a command window on your computer and run a db reboot bootloader to boot the device into fastboot. This is required to flash or verify TWRP. Make sure fastboot detects the device with fastboot devices before proceeding so you don't waste time on a disk. Now you'll check the TWRP image and target slot so flashing succeeds. Confirm the TWRP file matches your exact model because a wrong image can brick the device. If your phone is a /B, use fastboot getvar current slot and flash the image to the active slot with fastboot flash recovery TWRP. IMG or use fastboot boot TWRP. IMG to test without writing. Once the image boots, immediately boot into recovery to prevent stock recovery from overriding it. Finish by booting straight into TWRP. Use fastboot reboot recovery or the device key combo. You must enter recovery before the OS can replace it. If TWRP is overwritten, ensure the bootloader is unlocked, disable DM verity or forced encryption if prompted, and reflash using the correct slot. If you still can't open TWRP, re-download the official image, verify checksum, and repeat the process. If errors continue, check fastboot output for permission or vendor lock messages and act on those hints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.